to Mimi and Pie. Pie Mimi. I'm definitely not making this up as I go along. Mimi and Pie. Pie Mimi. We definitely know how to teach things. Hello Internet and welcome back to another episode of Mimi and Pie definitely know how to teach things.
We totally do.
And in this episode we're going to talk about hiccups because I have the hiccups and they are horrible.
Hiccups. Hiccups are caused by eating gnomes.
What?
When they're in your food, they're little. And when you eat them, then they make you hiccup.
That doesn't make any sense.
Because they hide in your food, but then they don't like being eaten. So they're really funny. Gnomes are funny.
No, they're not.
They are.
I've never met a gnome with a good sense of humor.
I didn't say it was good. But they're funny.
Saying something is funny implies that it is of a good sense of humor.
But they hide in your food, but they don't like being eaten, and that's a really terrible place to hide if you don't like being eaten. And so then you eat them by accident, and then they start getting mad, and they jump around in your tummy, and then they make you hiccup, and you go, and you're like, I'm sorry, that was weird.
I think we should get someone else to explain hiccups, because I can't explain them right now, because I have them, and it's annoying, and it's hard to talk properly with the hiccups. And you have no idea what you're talking about.
Yes, I do. It's the hiccup gnomes.
That might be from a TV show you watched. Maybe.
No.
Maybe it was from a book series you read.
No.
Maybe it was from a movie.
No.
Maybe it was mentioned in a song somewhere.
Of course it's in a song. It's the hiccup song. The hiccup gnomes.
Songs can sometimes tell their own stories.
They do.
Like there's this one. Like sometimes there's songs where like if you read their lyrics but don't know they're a song, you might legitimately like just mistake it for some like weird like short story someone wrote.
Like what?
Well, I know a song. I would sing it right now, but I have the hiccups, so I mess it up. I don't want to make a songwriter mad by messing up their song.
With hiccups.
Yeah.
You just blame it on the hiccup gnomes and say it's them.
Well, no, it'd be my fault for choosing to sing the song while the hiccup gnomes are still here. Hey, wait, how did the hiccups stop?
You digest the gnomes.
I'm gonna be here a while with the hiccups, aren't I? Something tells me they're gonna be a while. Oh, jeez.
I don't know how long it takes. It takes time. Why don't you teleport them out of your tummy so you don't have the hiccups anymore?
Because they're not real. So I can't do that.
Well, yes, you can.
No, I can't get rid of something that isn't real.
They are real.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. That's how you get the hiccups.
Someone in the comment section, please explain how hiccups are actually caused.
They all say Mimi's totally right.
Oh, really?
Every single one of them. Look. See, it says Mimi's totally right. Mimi's totally right. Mimi's totally right.
Mimi is totally
Mimi's
wrong.
Hey, that's you put that there.
Nope, that's someone else.
No, that was you.
No,
Look,
that's
you.
two.
It's you.
No, that's
Two.
Flowertail.
There is no
Two.
two.
Two and Flowertail. Okay, Two and Flowertail share an account, but that's one of them. I don't know why they forgot to send the comment. This two. Hold on, they edited.
That was you.
Forgot to send the comment.
Because you're evil.
No. It says it was Flowertail. It was Flowertail.
Who Who's Flower Tail?
I don't know. Flower Tail is, I don't even know. And besides, it can't be my account. Because my account is called Pie Loves Pie. Pie Loves Pie. And this person's, their username is something about a clone.
You're making that up.
No, I'm not.
Yes you are.
It says Mimi is totally wrong. Dash, dash, dash.
No, that part was
Flower
right.
Tail.
No, that part's wrong. Pie. It's from you.
No, it's from Flower Tail.
You are Flower Tail.
No, I'm not.
Yes you are.
No.
You must be. That's you.
No, I'm not Flower Tail. I'm
Well,
myself.
everybody else says that Mimi is right. See, it says Mimi is totally right.
Then
Mimi
why does the one saying that you're wrong have the most upvotes and a bunch of replies agreeing with it?
That's not true.
See, the people who think you're wrong are being smart and are like, hey, let's not have a million comments saying the same thing. Let's just have one comment that has a bunch of replies saying the same thing.
But all the comments that say I'm right, they have to be original, so they're themselves saying it, and they all say the same thing as themselves. Everyone uses each other's words. I didn't make up these words.
Was Mimi right or was she wrong? Leave your comments
right.
in the comments.
They all say totally right. Don't you see them in the future? It says Mimi is totally
Leave
right.
your comments in the comments at the
All
end
of
of this
them.
Not Really song. Yeah.
Yeah, Not Really song. I liked the Not Really song. What's the second verse? Sing the second verse of the Not Really song.
This song isn't really a song. It's more like a rap than a song, I guess. Although it's really slow for a rap, I suppose. But, I mean, it's not really a rap and it's not really a song. And that's why it's called the Not Really song.
Is that a real song?
Totally.
You made that up.
No, I didn't.
I think you did.
No, it's totally a real song.
No, you made.
Okay, fine. I made up the song.
It's totally real because you made it up. That's how things become real, by being made up.
Alright, well.
Everything is real because it was made up, but at some point in time by someone.
Well, anyways, we're at our destination, so I guess we need to end the video here.
I hope you guys learned absolutely nothing about tacos.
We weren't talking about tacos.
It doesn't matter.
What were we talking about again?
We were talking about a bunch of stuff.
I don't remember.
Okay, bye.
We were talking about hiccups.
And the hiccup gnomes.
Okay, bye.
You have to digest